Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today we are going to press our skinny tall beverage insulator right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to press our skinny tall beverage insulator. For those skinny cans out there, those are really popular right now. So Meredith's going to take you through the steps.
Okay, I'm gonna do the press and flip, which is a little bit different. You can press one side and then repress the second side, but I'm going to put it all together, do it all at once. So I'm gonna use the tape, and I'm gonna tape on the inside of the koozie to hold it down. And then I'm gonna fold it over and flip it. And I'm also gonna tape the other side of the koozie.
This is a huge time-saving trick that we'd like to use here a lot. It's good for items like this, socks, things of that nature.
All right, I'm gonna put my silicone down and put a piece over the top. And you're at about medium pressure with this, 400 degrees for about 45 seconds. Okay, now that we've pressed the first side, we're just going to simply flip it and press the second side, again for 45 seconds.
Okay, and we are almost there. This is the best part, the unveil.
All right, I'm gonna put my gloves on just to protect my hands. And then here you go.
So again, this is our beverage insulator. It is skinny and tall. And we do have products and instructions available online at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.